E. Want to use channels in WhatsApp on your PC on any OS. So see this video to learn how. All you need is a WhatsApp account, and you need to connect your phone with WhatsApp Web. So let's start.
Open web.whatsapp.com and then here click on this channels icon, and here you can see all of your channels that you have, and here you can find some channels, and here you can click on this plus icon, and here you can create a channel or find channels. Here, once you click on a channel, you can see the thing that they put on it. And here, if I go to my channel, yes, I have a channel in WhatsApp. You can just go to the description and then see it. Please follow it. Just go here. When you open it, here we'll find follow. You can follow the channel. Here I go back to my channel, and here I can type something like, hey, I have made a video about how to use 3D viewer, and I can press enter so I can send it, and I can also put links, and the thumbnail is very big here, and here this is how you use channels in WhatsApp.